In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your LinkedIn profile to reflect that you've graduated. LinkedIn is a vital tool for networking and representing your professional journey, and indicating your graduation is an important milestone to showcase. So let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to head over to LinkedIn. Simply open your web browser and go to the LinkedIn website by typing linkedin.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll see options to log in using either Google, Microsoft, or your email address and password. Choose the method that you typically use and enter your credentials. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled for added security, LinkedIn may prompt you to verify your account by entering a code sent to your phone. This step is essential for ensuring the safety of your account. Once you're logged in, look at the upper right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Here, you will find your avatar picture, which is the small circular photo of yourself. Click on this picture and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the View Profile option. This will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, scroll down until you reach the Education section. This part of your profile contains details about your academic background, any degrees you've pursued, and the schools or universities you've attended. Next to each entry, you'll notice an edit icon, typically represented by a pencil. Click on the pencil icon next to the specific school or degree you'd like to update. In the edit view of your education entry, you'll find various fields including the school name, degree, field of study, and dates attended. To update your graduation status, simply focus on the end date field. Click into this field and add the year you completed your degree. It's important that this information is accurate, as it not only signals completion but also can have implications for your professional opportunities and connections. Once you've entered the correct graduation date, make sure to double check everything for accuracy. When you're satisfied that all the details are correct, look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom of the edit window. Clicking Save will update your profile with the newly entered information, and there you have it. Updating your LinkedIn profile to show your graduation is a straightforward process, but an important one. Displaying your graduation date helps you express your achievements to your network and potential employers. Plus, it keeps your professional profile up to date with your career milestones. Thanks for following along, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions or need further guidance. Happy networking.